Oggi in casa Wingamm presentiamo...
Today at Wingamm we'd like to present our City Suite, a compact and very agile camper. It's 2.05 metres wide, 5.99 metres long and 2.77 metres high. A 3.8 metre wheelbase and short 1.24 metre rear overhang give a turning circle of just 13.9 metres. The City Suite is based on a Fiat Ducato chassis with a Euro 60 engine, available with 140, 160 or 180 HP power outputs and manual or automatic transmission. The automatic is a dual clutch transmission with 9 speeds. The City Suite combines Wingamm quality and all the advantages of a camper van. It has a fiberglass monocoque body shell, including the entrance door and all exterior storage compartments. The Wingamm monocoque body shell is made of a fiberglass sandwich panel, then 2.5 cm of polyurethane foam and internal fiberglass. Wingamm's patented hinges are aluminium. When closed, they meet each other in the counter molds between the body and the door. The City Suite features Wingamm's safety lock system, which automatically locks or unlocks the entrance door and rear door. The large rear door opens upwards like a tailgate. The rear garage is 1.3 metres by 1.3 metres and 95 centimetres in height. One of the option packs on the City Suite includes the electric rear step. On the driver's side of the City Suite there is a gas bottle locker which can hold a 10 kg cylinder, and the access to the domestic toilet cassette is also on this side of the vehicle. The 100 litre freshwater and waste tanks are insulated and heated with ball valves instead of classic guillotine valves. The City Suite is equipped with a gas-electric hybrid Truma Combi hot water and heating system, but a diesel-powered Truma Combi is optional. Standard equipment in the cab includes a passenger airbag, traction control and the convenience of hill hold, which helps by holding the vehicle stationary when the driver releases the foot brake when pulling away from rest on an incline. Inside the 5.99 metre body, there is excellent dinette seating area with 4 large and comfortable seats. All the interior furniture for the City Suite is made by our in-house Wingamm carpenters. The City Suite's kitchen is equipped with a 2-burner stove, a 96 litre fridge with a 9 litre freezer, and in the dinette, as always, there is a double USB socket. The folding table opens to comfortably reach all 4 seats. The cab seats swivel to face the dinette as standard. Low energy LED lights are dimmable simply by touching them. The City Suite has a large wardrobe with 2 drawers below and an additional storage cupboard underneath. To optimise the use of all the available space, Wingamm has fitted 2 drawers in the garage on the passenger side and a door on the driver's side. There are 5 different laminate options available for the interior furniture: Tusha, Total White, Light Elm, Dark Elm and Phoenix. Phoenix has an anti-reflective, soft touch, anti-fingerprint and anti-scratch material. If it is scratched, it can be repaired with just a damp cloth ironed over it. Wingamm offers a choice of very fine fabric materials, from top quality eco leather to 100% cotton or 100% linen. The City Suite's bathroom is well designed and spacious. The domestic toilet has a ceramic bowl which guarantees a long service life. An interesting option for the City Suite is electric power for the rear double bed, so that it can be raised or lowered to vary the load volume of the garage. It measures 1.96 metres by 1.26 metres.